Hey everybody, stay tuned. We're gonna make something. So I picked this up a while back. I was gonna make a sign for my brother's camper, or maybe my mom's little cabin. It's just one of those things that I never got around to, but it looked kind of fun, and I've had it and never used it. Sign Crafter creates signs, includes templates, includes other stuff, makes things easy as 1, 2, 3. How hard can it be? I'd like to thank John for inspecting the bushings for a tight fit. I appreciate your hard work. Thank you. It comes with letter rails, letter rail joiners, support bridge, C-clamps, end frames, base plate, centering pin, turn lock bushing, letter and number templates, base plate mounting screws, and it even comes with a router bit. So there's no excuse if I mess this up. Was an abysmal failure. So took a step back, learned from it, fixed these connections on the end, fixed how I had it clamped down, fixed the height of my bit, fixed a bunch of stuff. So we're gonna try again. Hey, I'm learning. This is actually super fun. I know what I'm giving everyone for Christmas. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your paint can. Shake your paint can. All right, so final thoughts. It was okay. It was easy as 1, 2, 3. I don't know. There was a lot of finagling going on that now I know, but I didn't then. So easy as 1, 2, maybe, but three's pushing it. Easy as 1, 2. I got you here. If you like the videos, look. If you don't want to subscribe, totally cool. I get it. Okay, but it would help me out if you clicky the likey, and that'd be great. So there you go. If you don't, it's okay though. It's just, it's a thing.